YA, but it still doesn't have the tallest mast. Registered Bermuda to Lloyd's tax. And almost £10 million worth of boat. Or £10 billion worth of boat then.
Oh, I don't know about a million, it won't be worth that
That's
much.
what the brother said, or somebody said it down there actually.
A problem is
Yeah.
so
Well, that might be 900.
it's usually a million.
It might be 900 million. That's 142 metres long.
Probably 142 million worth of. Because they reckon a million a metre.
That's going to be more because that's state of the art with the new sails and stuff.
What do you reckon, Tim? Do you like it? Did it make a good dolphin boat?
Rather unusual.
I like his tender. His tender would make a good dolphin boat. Look.
In his garage there, he's got 2 of those power boats, plus 4 jet skis, custom built to the same colour and same spec. The jet skis are the same sleek line design as the ship.
Do you like it?
No, it looks ugly as hell when it closes up. It does look ugly.